Hello, wonderful people of the internet. My name is Alexander Amwa, and I'm here to take you through device configuration. So, we're going to start with the creation of device type. So, this is the software. So, I double click to open. Authentication, I need to log in. So, I provide my app code and then click on login. This is the interface of ilex config. So what we're going to do today is that we're going to create a device type. So come to think of it, considering network devices, let's choose to create a router, ilex router device type. So what you do is you go to options, and then you go to device, and then you click on type. All right, so this is the form you use to manage device types. So you can look up for device types. You can click here to clear the fields to create a new one. So let's see if we already have device types in it. So we click on lookup, and this is list of values. So this is a centralized point for searching and selection of items. All right, so we have device types here. We have hub already in it. I have ilex switch, I have a printer, I have router, server, smart switch, and the rest. Okay, so let's see. I have router here, and this is the description over here. All right, so when you double click on this, you see we have router, and then we have some description over here. Okay, so after looking it up, we have updates, we have delete, and then we have an icon to create command for this device type. All right, so this is already created. So if we want to create a new one, we click on create new device type. So we click here, and then we put in the name. I'll say iRouter. Okay, and the description, I'll say for testing. All right, so I'll click on save. Successful. So after creating, I can update, I can delete. All right, so that is it. So this is how you create device types. So let's see how to create command for this device type. So I'll click here. So either on the same form, I click this button over here, and then you see the iRouter over here, and then you can choose commands. You can click here to put commands over here. So here we have device type single, we have device type groups, we have device single, and then device group. All right, so if I click on device type single, and I search for, say, banner. All right, so setting the message of the day banner, this message of the day banner. Yeah, I can choose one of these because I've already created these commands in the system already. So I pick one. So this is it. If I want to see how everything is, I click on the icon over here, and then you can see the full command. Alright. Okay, so you click on OK, and then if this one belongs to a group, I click on the group and I'll choose let's say banner. Oh, there's nothing like that. Okay, so I'll just click cancel. I have to choose it again. Alright, and then click save. So I'm giving this command to this device type. So I'll say save was successful, and that's it. So this is how you create a command, or you apply a command to device type. Let's see how we can also apply group of commands to this particular device type. So I'll select group, and I'll say port security. Alright, port security, and then I click this command, say apply group command to this type. So I've selected the name of the group, and now I've got to click on this icon. Alright, so group command for device type. I couldn't find any, so I'll just cancel it and choose another one. Let's say go to SSH, click here. Okay, I have this over here. Okay, so I'll pick it says start from 1 here, and then end at let's say ends at this one here. Okay, that is line 12. I guess this is the first one. Okay, so after doing that, I click on select. So it says range of SSH line command selected, and it has listed all of them here. So what you need to do, say do you want to apply the group commands to iRouter? So all these are commands in a specific group called SSH. So what I will do is I'll just click on yes. If I click no, it will abort the operation. If I click on yes, it will apply all the 12 commands to this particular device type. So yes, of course, they have been applied to this device type. Alright, so after that, you can actually click on save to a text file, device, desktop, and I click OK to save it. So I now close it, close this one. Let's see if so we have the configuration for that particular device type. So this is it. So device type ID 14 and name iRouter, device type command, so IP domain name cat.local, crypto key generate RSA 2048, IP SSH version 2, username Alex, secret Alex, line VTY04, transport input SSH, login local, exec timeout 30, login synchronous, message of the day banner, and I exit. So I have to apply all this. If it weren't for the group commands, I would be looking or searching for these commands one by one and applying to the device type. All right. So this is how we create a device and then apply command or group of commands to the device type. Thank you very much for staying around. I hope to see you in my next video.